Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to zoom in and out with DaVinci Resolve 19. To zoom in or out in the timeline, hold Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac and scroll the mouse wheel, which allows you to see more or less of the timeline for easier editing and better control. To zoom the viewer, click the zoom percentage below the viewer and choose fit 100% or 200% so you can preview your video at different zoom levels based on your editing needs. To zoom the actual video clip, select the clip in the timeline, open the inspector, go to the video tab, and adjust the zoom or scale value to change how close or far the clip appears in the frame. To create a zoom effect, enable keyframes next to zoom in the inspector and adjust the value over time, which helps you create smooth zoom in or zoom out movements during playback. To quickly zoom smoothly, use Alt plus scroll on Windows or Option plus scroll on Mac, making it faster to zoom in and out while working on your project. To reset zoom, click the reset icon or set the viewer zoom back to fit, so everything returns to the default view. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.